All right, you guys, today is the day. It is June 16th, 2024, and I said that was the deadline for when we pick the next OBS Chevy build. And it was a viewer's choice build. I let you guys pick which one we're going to do, gave you some options. We narrowed it down to the 93 Suburban. That was the first vehicle ATP owned. And the 98 GMC short box 4x4 5-speed. It's completely stock, and I did videos on Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube, and we did a poll, and it is crystal clear which vehicle you guys want to see get built. So before I get into it, I want to thank Dynovox. You guys were awesome. It's just such a wonderful opportunity to do something like this, for providing us with the free headers. So Dynovox has emailed me and they said they really liked this idea and what we're doing, so if there's anything else I want to do, they're interested. So that is just awesome. Thank you, guys. And don't forget, there'll be a link down below. If you want 10% off, just click the link. Code word is ATP. Anyway, back to the winner. So you guys were probably around the 70% mark. Picked the the GMC short box. That is the next build. So what the plan is, well, I should mention the Suburban. For those of you that picked the Suburban, don't worry, we're gonna get to the Suburban soon. I've got plans. I've been thinking about it. I don't want to disappoint you guys, but I like knowing what the viewers want to see. So what the plan is that little 98 short box is going to be my daily driver. And I want a clean, classy looking OBS Chevy. It will get a lift kit, but it's not going to be crazy like my builds that never get finished and never hit the road. We need a daily driver. So we're going to start with a stock platform, completely all original. That vehicle's never been altered. It did get rear-ended, so we have to do a little bit of frame repair at the frame shop. But we want probably a 33-inch tire, nothing huge, just clean, original looking, so that I can bring it to work and not be wearing out my Dodge. And newsflash, my Dodge has been sitting here for a couple of weeks and now I have a charging issue. So if that was the old GMC, I wouldn't stress about it. I can throw a battery and alternator and spend, $200 on it. But because it's my Dodge, things get a little more pricey. So that is the point of this. So I'm at work right now. I'm here for another couple of weeks, and we can't do the install on the headers, but we're going to get the GMC running first, and then do a full service on it. Change all the filters and oil and plugs and everything. Just make sure it's really nice and reliable before we do any changes to it. I want to drive it completely stock, and then we'll install the headers and do a proper comparison. So thank you for casting a vote. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you, Dynovox. And don't forget, you guys can get 10% off from them. But I'll be home soon.